Welcome back to AutoDriveX. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and talked about MPVs in the world, the all-new 2026 Toyota Alphard. This vehicle isn't just about transportation, it's about presence, comfort, and executive-level refinement. Toyota has taken everything people already loved about the Alphard and elevated it to an entirely new level for 2026, making it feel more premium, more advanced, and more desirable than ever before. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Alphard immediately commands attention. Toyota has refined the Alphard's signature bold look, giving it an even stronger road presence while maintaining elegance. The front end is dominated by a massive grille that feels more sculpted and layered than before, finished with premium chrome accents that reflect light beautifully. The Toyota emblem sits proudly at the center, subtly integrated into the design, reinforcing its luxury identity. The headlights are slimmer and sharper, featuring advanced LED technology that delivers a crisp and modern lighting signature. These lights flow smoothly into the front fascia, creating a seamless and futuristic appearance. The hood lines are more defined, adding depth and strength to the overall stance. From the side, the Alphard showcases a long, clean silhouette that emphasizes space and stability. Smooth character lines run along the body, complemented by large windows that enhance the sense of openness inside. The rear design is just as impressive, featuring sleek LED tail lamps that stretch across the width, giving the vehicle a wider and more planted look. Every angle of the 2026 Alphard reflects sophistication and authority, making it instantly recognizable as a luxury MPV. Step inside the 2026 Toyota Alphard, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle interior. Toyota has focused heavily on comfort, materials, and technology, creating an environment that caters perfectly to both drivers and passengers. The dashboard design is clean and modern, featuring a wide digital instrument cluster paired with a large, high-resolution infotainment display. The layout feels intuitive, with controls placed exactly where you expect them. Premium materials dominate the cabin, including soft-touch surfaces, genuine wood or metallic trims, and high-quality leather upholstery. The seats are exceptionally plush, offering excellent support for long journeys. In the rear, the Alphard truly shines. The second-row captain seats are designed for VIP-level comfort, with features like power adjustment, reclining functions, leg rests, heating, ventilation, and even massage options depending on the variant. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a calm and luxurious atmosphere, especially during night drives. Large windows and available panoramic glass enhance the airy feeling, while sound insulation ensures a whisper-quiet ride. Every detail inside the Alphard feels carefully crafted to deliver maximum comfort and refinement. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Alphard focuses on smoothness, efficiency, and reliability rather than aggressive sportiness. Toyota offers advanced powertrain options that balance power with fuel efficiency, including refined hybrid technology. The engine delivers confident acceleration for city driving and highway cruising, while maintaining a calm and composed character. The transmission is tuned for seamless gear changes, ensuring that passengers experience minimal vibration or noise. The suspension system has been carefully calibrated to absorb road imperfections, providing a soft and stable ride even on uneven surfaces. Steering feels light and precise, making this large MPV surprisingly easy to maneuver in urban environments. Toyota's advanced safety and driver assistance systems also play a big role in the overall driving experience. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring help reduce driver stress and enhance confidence on long journeys. The Alphard may be large, but it feels incredibly controlled and reassuring behind the wheel. Now let's talk about pricing and value. The 2026 Toyota Alphard sits firmly in the premium MPV segment, and its pricing reflects its luxury positioning. While exact prices may vary by market and trim level, the Alphard is expected to start at a premium price point, with higher trims offering extensive luxury features pushing the cost further up. However, what you get in return is a vehicle that rivals luxury sedans and SUVs in comfort, technology, and build quality. For buyers who prioritize space, prestige, and an unmatched passenger experience, the Alphard offers strong value. It's especially appealing for families, business executives, and anyone who wants a vehicle that feels exclusive and refined. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Alphard is more than just an MPV. It's a statement of luxury, comfort, and modern design. With its bold exterior, opulent interior, smooth performance, and advanced technology, it continues to set the benchmark in its segment. Toyota has successfully transformed the Alphard into a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, but exceeds them. If you're looking for a premium people mover that delivers elegance without compromise, the 2026 Toyota Alphard stands as one of the finest choices on the road today. Thanks for watching AutoDriveX, and stay tuned for more in-depth automotive content coming your way.